This video is on metadata. Metadata is a data that describes other types of data. It simply summarizes basic information about data, which makes finding and working with particular instances of data easier. Also, metadata can be created manually to be more accurate or automatically and contain more basic information. There are a variety of metadata like legal metadata, which provides information about copyright holders, statistical metadata that describes processes that collect process or product statistical data, reference metadata, admin metadata with permissions, resource type, structural, as well as descriptive metadata. All metadata has various purposes. It can help users find relevant information and discover resources. It can also help organize electronic resources, provide digital identification, and archive and preserve resources. It allows users to access resources by allowing resources to be found by relevant criteria, identifying resources, bringing similar resources together, distinguishing dissimilar resources, and giving location information. Metadata are gathered from numerous things like email. If you send and receive an email, there's metadata within the email messages you normally do not see. Information is present in the email message header. The information defines what servers are used to transfer the email from one point to another. Also, for mobile phones, there is an extensive amount of metadata that could be stored. For example, if you take picture or store video on mobile devices, it could be kept in that metadata. The type of phone used to capture a picture or GPS location where that picture was taken. Also, if you're using web browser to connect to web server, the metadata will be transferred back and forth there. For example, you could send operating system information, the type of browser you're using, and the IP addresses you're sending it from. We also have file. You can store files or documents in Microsoft Office. You can find metadata inside the document that shows name, address, contact info, title, and other identifying information. Metadata can provide numerous things, but it's especially important for forensics, because it allows digital or computer forensic investigators to understand the history of a particular electronic file, including when the file was created, modified, accessed, among other information that can be used to describe that file.